Hello, Katie Robertson here, and I am going to show you how to model combining words to mean different things, as well as using some of the functions of the AAC system. So I'm going to start by turning on my custom gesture so you can follow the gray dot to see what I'm doing. Then I would model my sentence for the student.
I do like to do that with you.
And then I would say to the student, now I'm going to hit the white bar. I'm going to touch up here and say the whole thing.
I do like to do that with you.
And by pointing that out, you tell the student that if they want to say all of the words one after the other to make a whole sentence or a whole utterance, they need to put all the words in the top bar and then touch the top bar so that they're saying a whole sentence instead of one individual word after the other. You can also say to the student, now I've said my sentence, I need to clear it. I need to hit my X button and delete all these words because I already said them. Then I'm going to turn my gestures on again. You can combine the words differently to mean something different.
Do you like that? Do you like that?
And again, I could point out to the student, I said the whole thing. I hit the top bar. I touched the white bar. I touched the words up here, however you want to say it. And I said my whole sentence. And I used the same words that I did in my last sentence, only I put them in a different order to make a question. And that's important because we want our students to learn that you can combine these words to create and change different meanings. We can also combine these words to use like in a different way. So first, I'm going to turn my gestures back on, and I'm going to tell the student, I'm going to clear it. I'm going to hit the X. And then I'm going to ask another question.
Do I do that like you? Do I do that like you?
In this question, we used like to mean similar instead of enjoy. And that's important as well for students to understand that the same word can mean different things in different contexts. And if we do that naturally, especially if we kind of draw attention to it as we're doing it, then our students have more of a chance to learn each word separately and how to combine the separate words to mean one thing instead of learning each sentence as a whole chunk and not recognizing the separate words inside of the sentence.